Now we'll learn how to install Git. Git is a version control system which we're going to end up using. It's not important in the initial phase, but it'll be good to have. Git for Windows. So what we go is we go to gitforwindows.org and we hit download, say save, open folder, here's Git, double click, and we say next. Let's just use the defaults here, all the defaults. You might want to read through this, you might learn something, but it's actually pretty simple if you just use the defaults. Okay, and we're done. And we'll, in another video, we'll talk about how to use Git and how to configure VS Code to use Git. Thank you.